Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install VLC media player on your Windows laptop. So let's begin our video. So first of all you need to open your browser. I open my Chrome browser. Okay, after open your Chrome browser you need to type VLC. Just type on VLC, then search it. After that you need to open this first link. Okay, after open this first link you can select from here Windows, then Linux, then Android, then iOS. Everything you can select from here. I just select Windows. Okay, after that you can get an option download VLC. Just click it. Okay, and then you need to click here. There you can see, don't need to click here. You can see they're already start for downloading. There you can see you need to wait for 100% downloading. It's 39.5 MB, so just wait for. Okay, after complete downloading, then go to right side, on the top right side, three dot, then go download, then show the folder, then double click, then yes. Now you can change your language from here. Select English, then OK, then next, again next, then install. Then there you can see it's loading. Okay, then finish it. Now there you can see. Now guys, there you can see VLC media player is showing here. It's already installed. So guys, in this way you can download and install VLC media player on your Windows laptop very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.